Hello viewers, welcome to our channel TechVideos. In this video we are sharing with you how to blur photo background in Photoshop very easy way, so keep watching till the end, and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel, and thumbs up like button. First open Adobe Photoshop, then go to File option, select Open option, choose Photo. Select Quick Selection tool from the left panel, or press W key. Select Photo Background. Now click on the filter option. Blur. Lens blur. After clicking on the lens blur option, you can see this interface. Increase redius for blur background. You can see my image background gone to blur. OK. Now click on the Select option. Deselect. Finally click on the File option. Save as. Choose a location. Give a name. Save. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel for more Photoshop tutorials videos, and thumbs up like button. Share this video with your friends want to know how to blur photo background in Photoshop.